Hello everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Computer Information Systems at Ozarka College. Today what I'd like to do is give you a little bit of feedback on the Module 8 activities that I graded earlier this week. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about our next set of activities for Module 9, which are due early next week. Alright, so the first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the Module 8 activities earlier this week. If you haven't already looked at your grades for those activities and read the grading comments, go ahead and do that as soon as possible. And let me know if you have any questions at all. Overall, most of you did well on the Module 8 activities. And like I always tell you, I really appreciate the time and effort that you're putting into the class. And so keep up the good work on that. We really just have a few weeks left in the semester, so just keep doing good work and we'll be good. All right. The discussion that we had about the ethical implications of government search and seizure of computers, I thought that went very well. I really appreciate everyone's input on the discussion, and I really enjoyed reading everyone's comments. So keep up the good work on the discussions as well. On the module test, the main thing I'd like to remind everybody on that, which I always remind you of, is you can take those tests as many times as you want to up until the due date, and your highest grade is automatically recorded. So, if you can always take them multiple times if you want to, and it's not going to hurt your grade. It can only help. Okay, so just kind of keep that in mind. All right. So that brings us to what we've got coming up due next. So if we go to the activities page in my Ozarka, right now we are on the middle portion of week 13 of the semester. And of course, we just had our last set of activities due Sunday of this week. And we don't have anything else due this week, but we do have work due Tuesday of next week, April 22nd. Okay, so we've got the Module 9 activities due on Tuesday of next week. And so you've got the assignment, the test, and the discussion. Just remember all the resources you have available. Of course, you have your textbook. You have the PowerPoint slides that I've posted on the assignment page. And then you've also got the videos that I've linked on the assignment page. Just make sure you're using all those resources effectively to work on your assignments, to complete your activities. And most of you are doing that, but I always like to remind everybody of that. And Module 9 is going to cover networks and network devices. So specifically, you're going to learn about the various types of communication networks. You're going to learn about different network architectures that can be set up for a network. You're going to learn about the network standards and protocols that are used to kind of keep everything organized on a network. And you'll also learn about different communication lines, communication devices, and then you'll, towards the end of the chapter or module, you'll learn about physical transmission media and various types of wireless transmission media. All right, so that's Module 9. So be working on those activities for Module 9. And just let me know if you have any questions as you're working. And that's really all I have for you for today. So enjoy the rest of your week and your Easter weekend. And I will talk to you again sometime, probably later next week. Thank you.